Day 4. Swimming in the pool. I got him. Here, Mom, videotape us for a little bit. Okay. Not for real. Just press. Just press what? No, it's already videotaping. Just look at people. Hi.
What?
This is what? Day 4.
I already said it.
Okay.
Look at Mommy. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at your pinky.
Yeah, that worked out well.
Wow.
Hey, Valen, what are you doing? What do you think, hon? He did. He had a rough night. Oh my goodness.
Kaden, look at the turtle. Look at the turtle.
It's very windy. Okay, stop it, Jade.
Yeah, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye, Val.
Bye. Go, Viva, go.